Say that. That's right. Yes, yes, yes. It's time. Oh, it's time. Church ladies cooking in the kitchen. Church ladies cooking in the kitchen. It's time to get home. Cook my meal is nice and warm with the church ladies.
Welcome to the Church Ladies Cooking Show. I'm Libby.
I'm Sharon.
And we have another amazing show for you today. We're really, really excited because we have a special guest today. We got, you know how you have that deacon, you can't ever remember his name, so you say, Deacon, what's his name?
Such and such.
Yeah, exactly. And guess what we got today? We got Deacon such and such. Deacon such and such.
Hey, how y'all ladies doing today?
Bless her highly favored.
Glad to have
Highly
you. The deacon was a little nervous coming here.
No.
Yeah, because last time the deacon got caught up with 3 women at the church, it became an entanglement. That's why I said a lot of times when I try to meet with, with ladies by myself, I try to do it in the church with the door open.
You single, Daniel?
Yes.
You a single deacon?
Yes, I'm a single.
Everybody,
You know what?
all the
You in
ladies in
the
the
kitchen.
church
This
want
time
to
you in the
single.
kitchen.
Yes.
You in the kitchen with
Amen,
the church
amen.
ladies.
Church
You're
ladies.
just
So I'm
fine.
saying I'm going to be saved.
You're going to be saved.
All right, the deacon don't need no entanglement. We don't need no entanglement.
You sure he don't entanglement?
He sure he don't need no entanglement?
No entanglement.
Okay.
He can get entangled in
He
the
finna
recipe.
get entangled in this food of her. Okay, let's keep it to the food.
Well, I can tell you this. Sharon has something amazing. It already smells so good. So I don't know what she has cooked up for us today or what she's going to prepare today, but I know it's going to be awesome. So
Yes,
Sharon,
it is.
tell us what you got today.
Well, see, I had heard through the grapevine.
See, that's church. That's church rumors.
I had heard.
See, that's how Deacon such and such got caught up
Yeah.
in the entanglement talking about.
See, yeah, cause see,
Well, would you hear? Let us know what you heard so
I'm
we can.
trying.
I'm just saying. I'm hungry.
I heard that Deacon such and such was singing.
Oh,
Told you.
And all the girls talking about, ooh yeah, Deacon such and such, yeah, girl, he ain't got nobody, girl. I know the Lord has right now.
And we yoked.
But anyway,
you know what you're looking for Deacon such and such. You better know how to cook.
Yeah, you got to know how to cook. You're going to be the deacon. Got to know how to
I
cook.
say.
Got to know how to cook.
I think Deacon like to eat.
Yeah, deacon like to eat. Got to know how to cook. Be the deacon.
You on the right show, Deacon.
We don't do potlucks. We don't do all that. Microwaves.
What about
dinners.
TV dinner?
No TV dinner. If I want to come on TV dinner, I just go through the TV and pull a dinner out.
There you go, Deacon. Let him
There you
have it.
go. You better let him know.
so we wanted a meal to get close to his heart. So we got us
Oh.
marinated lamb chops.
Oh my
Woo! Praise them. Oh my God. Y'all let her hunger.
I know that
We about to. She's about to run through the kitchen. Run around the kitchen.
Who got first name?
See, there we go.
O-S-C-A-R.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Sharon, this smells so good. You know, I don't know what she's marinated these with. Can you tell us a little bit
let us
about
know,
what you
yes.
marinated? They smell already marinated, so I know she's not
tell y'all, I just had to knock that out the way because
Oh, so good.
the process takes a minute. When you're trying to, every ingredient you want to pray over it. So when he, take a bite of that lamb chop, you want to really think about the Lord, but you think of my sister Betty because she cooked them lamb chops.
She put her hands on the lamb chop.
Yes, Lord.
She put her hands on.
But what I did, I did a special ingredient.
Okay.
What I did, I took some pineapple mango
Wow.
and I took some bourbon.
Okay, that's
And
what
I
I
made
smell.
me a
It smells
reduction
great.
sauce. But I took the pineapples and the mango and I marinated in my lamb chops.
So are these cooked already or just
These
marinated?
these are just marinated.
Oh, okay,
These just
okay.
marinated. So I see my favorite thing that people really don't like because they think they
love
smell like licorice is innocent. I love
Yes,
this.
I
And these,
Yes.
like, and these, that's my secret weapon right there.
And that's
It's
really
a
good in
spice.
chicken. You
It's
said
a
a
spice.
chicken recipe.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's really, really good. It
Yes.
leaves meats very, very
You
flavorful.
want to put a little bit more bourbon?
Yeah, the deacon like liquor. You can put a little more bourbon on there. You just give me bourbon. You just give the bourbon.
Well, I make sure I put a little bit extra in
No.
the sauce.
Oh, Deacon, we out of eye. Hold on. Let me check something.
What is that?
That's the reduction.
That's the reduction sauce? Oh, so that's with the mango.
What you say, a little more
Oh my
bourbon?
goodness, and a little bourbon.
I'm with the deacon.
Well, you know what? We can't have the deacon taking shots.
No, taking shots.
No shots.
Okay, so continue to tell us about the ingredients.
Also, I have thyme
Okay.
and I have rosemary. So me, I like 2 tablespoons because I want that to really soak. So
Okay.
I marinate my lamb chops overnight. Some people say 30 minutes. I want that deep down,
To the bone.
Jesus type of,
Right.
you know, when you bite.
When it
Because
gets
I don't
in your
want to.
spirit.
There you go.
That's right.
So when I grill them, I don't want to use all that extra salt and pepper because one thing about us Southern folks is in church, we want to over season things that it's gonna.
But it's seasoned.
Right.
But we don't want to do that.
We
because
love seasoning.
we don't want deacon such and such to have high blood pressure.
Oh,
No,
no,
we
no.
can't have
And did you say something about thyme and rosemary? You know, I spent time with a rosemary. I spent time with rosemary.
Did she know how to cook?
She did. That's why we stopped spending time together with rosemary. Didn't know how
Out of here.
Well, you know, we can't spend no more time with Miss Rosemary.
But
Yeah.
Miss Rosemary don't go to our church. Do she?
to. Well, I had to put her out of church.
Oh, okay.
Too much of a problem for the deacon, you know.
Was she in the entanglement?
No, she wasn't part of the entanglement. She was a part of the embezzlement.
Okay, the Lord just trying to tell her, don't be doing that.
No. The Lord heard about an entanglement.
He heard
Yes, he did.
moved on it.
You know,
And the embezzlement wasn't any better, was it?
But we're gonna, we're gonna talk about, what we're gonna have with these lamb chops.
Okay.
Y'all notice I like my little herb garden right here. I got this right here. So we're gonna have our 3 potato, mashed potato. So, but we're gonna talk about that, when we come back. But you know what? My little side dish right here. My little side pieces.
One of our
You
Broccoli.
know about that, so you know about
That's
that.
part of
Deacon
the
such and
entanglement.
such. That's part of the
That's part of the
entanglement. The
entanglement.
side piece.
And especially with the herb, because Deacon like a little, marijuana. I mean, like a little herb on his food.
Look, you done made the broccoli deploy.
We want you to stay tuned. We'll definitely be back with Deacon such and such and Sharon's lamb chops. Make sure you stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Greetings, everyone. This is Peggy Rhodes of Be Insured for Life. I want to talk to you today for just a moment about life insurance. I know you've seen our information that we are health insurance advisors, but we're also life insurance specialists. And what that means for you is that you have the opportunity to get that coverage that you need for yourself and your family and your loved ones. Create that legacy, leaving an inheritance to your children or covering all your final expenses. Now, life insurance can be enrolled from ages 3 months or 6 weeks right up until age 89. So if you've been waiting and you still don't have any life insurance, please give us a call. We can help. And for those of you that have employer life insurance, please get your own policy. This way you have control and you can designate, and it will be well. Because if you leave that company tomorrow, the life insurance that you had stays with the company. Remember, we can help.
Couldn't contain himself. He had to get up and come in the kitchen. I think these lamb chops did something to him, so he had to get up.
Push me out the way. Push me out the way. What kind of deacon pushes a woman down the aisle?
See, that's why the deacon get caught up in entanglement. See, using the word push you, entanglement, see, that don't go hand in hand with the deacon. I'm not a pusher. Now, you would have said I was a pimp, that's one thing, but a pusher, that's something else. But deacon ain't trying to be no pimp talk because, I've been born again. Deacon,
Okay.
deacon,
Amen.
transform.
Hallelujah.
Transform. Yes, he did.
Won't he do it?
Yes, he won't
Won't he
do
do
it.
it?
Won't he do it?
Okay, Sharon, I tell you, this looks amazing.
It smells
It
delicious
smells
already.
delicious.
Too.
So what are you gonna do right now?
Well, see, what I want Deacon such and such, since she like entanglement so much.
He like to put his hands.
Yeah, I just
Oh.
we're just gonna move these 2 out the way since he got the bourbon, then we're gonna move that to the side.
You do the one with the bourbon?
Yeah, I had to move that to
We had to move. Yeah, we're
Deacon,
gonna
don't
move
worry,
this
ain't
on
nothing
over
broken to get in trouble then that you lied.
So
Okay, thank
what
you.
I want you to do, I want you to take all these ingredients. I don't care what order you're going in. Just lay it all on your lamb.
Just
Just lay hands on it.
Just lay hands on
Yeah, just-
on the lamb chop.
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
Just go ahead.
All right. And then
You know, you should be really familiar with
Yeah,
this
you
laying
should be
hands,
right. You
so-
should be.
Yes,
doing
I
that.
should.
Especially on altar call.
I should be doing altar call, and then we have a after church ministry where I lay hands too.
Oh.
You know, that's how the entanglement got caught in. But you know, I was just telling people we were just praying.
Oh, y'all
Oh,
was praying.
That's what all the niggas do. You know, bless them. Bless it. Bless how this situation go.
So do you like lamb chops? How do you feel about lamb chops?
But they all right. You know, Mary had a little lamb.
She did.
And then her sheep was white as snow. You know, and I like white as snow. You know, 'cause Mary been around for a long time. You let time roll, Mary, and then like you say, need to
Pinch
get
of salt.
pinch. You know,
Yeah,
pinch.
Pinch of salt.
Okay.
It depends where you're from. If you from up north, like some people,
It's
it's a pinch.
It's a pinch.
It's
But
a
down
pinch.
here, it's
Down
a pinch.
south.
Yeah, nigga like a pinch. Okay. And then after that,
Okay,
what about
you gotta
what
look at
about?
this.
You
You got
don't
one
get
more
the
ingredient.
Andes.
Oh, I thought that was a spider. I thought that was a spider. I said, we gotta put a spider on the food.
It's gonna be. It's very flavorful.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
And then I-
smelling it, tell me what it smells like.
What does it smell like?
Ooh, can you roll that? I mean, for medicinal purposes only.
Only.
You know.
You can roll it on your
You can roll it on
laptop.
the
And I just, but I just,
Yeah, just crumble it up,
crumble
crumble it
it.
up,
Yeah, that's how we normally do. We crumble it up.
Break it up.
Yeah. We just crumble it up like that. Look like a little pine cone sitting up there.
Don't
It smell kind of pine. Yeah, I smell the dick smell that now.
Smelling it.
Yeah.
It's a very strong herb.
Can I smell the bourbon?
Well, you know, the bourbon is cooked down. It's
Oh.
already reduced.
Oh, okay.
So it won't be any.
Just checking.
No,
The
you're
deacon
not
was
drinking
just
other
checking.
wine or.
Oh no, the deacon
bourbon
don't
or
drink.
anything.
He just samples.
Oh, sample.
I just sample. The deacon don't never drink. And I don't want nobody to get there that we drinking at the Ebenezer. Missionary. Drop it like it's hot. He did that. Won't he do it? We still save, but we'll put them hands on you because he ain't brought us that far yet. Over at the AME, BET, CME, LLC Baptist Church Incorporated, where I am the doctor. I almost been a pastor, the deacon, something.
Hallelujah.
I'm almost been a pastor, the doctor, deacon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all that. You know, I got a degree that says all of that. Almost been a pastor, the doctor, the deacon.
Okay, well, you know,
You
with
gotta
your
go
lamb
on.
chops, you gotta go ahead. You gotta put your hands on.
Put your hands on it.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta rub it on in there.
Yeah, you
There
gotta-
you go.
How you doing? I'm the
You gotta get the
deacon.
seasoning
Yeah, you
into the
gotta
meat.
rub. There you go.
Rub
Rub
it
it.
in.
Yeah.
Deacon light it right here.
Oh, I love the deacon. I love the deacon.
Make sure, yeah, you get it. There
Oh,
you go.
yeah, it's a deacon love it
I
right
love
there.
the
Yes.
deacon.
Yeah, just rubbing on the lamb, you know. You know, that's how people end up with the Last Supper sometimes. People don't do right at meals and, you know, and
That's
get the
right.
rubbing the meat all wrong and everything. You know, it's the Last Supper. You know what I'm saying? But the deacon got it.
You got it.
Deacon
Oh,
got it.
okay.
Yeah.
Deacon, now you know they have to throw you out the kitchen if you don't rub it right.
That's right.
But Deacon gonna make sure he rub it right. You know, Johnny Gill had a song, a church song called "Rub You the Right Way." You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the Deacon Johnny Gill.
Oh, how you know about all that, Deacon?
Yeah, he had a Deacon get it in there and just
right.
then you got to sing to the music.
ready?
On a perfect day.
You might want to take that for
I'm
the
trying
deacon
to
and put that in the oven.
take my meat over.
He a little
Wash your
happy.
hands. Wash your hands.
He a little happy.
And what Sharon's gonna do right now, she's gonna go ahead and take the lamb chops over to her grill, and she's gonna go ahead and get those started. So Sharon, tell our viewers like what temperature you're gonna cook it at, and how long will you cook them?
Well, see, this we don't have to worry about putting it in the oven.
Okay.
Okay? We're gonna grill this on top of the stove.
Okay.
And I love those cast iron skillets that got the grill marks in it. Oh man, you just don't even understand right now. So you wanna just let it get hot, because you want that sizzling sound.
Okay.
You know about that sizzling
Yeah, I love the
sound.
silicone with that pop when you roll it. I mean, that's understanding. You got the pop, you know, the sizzle.
So what roles do you play at church?
I'm over all the ministries. I'm over
All the
the
ministries?
food committee.
Oh,
The food pantry?
Because we had an incident one year at the Ebenezer where somebody thought they had put raisins in the potato salad. And then kind of found out
No, not raisins and potatoes.
it was roaches.
Oh,
Yeah, and then while she was asleep, the roaches just cannonballing just all in the potato salad. And so we had to ban her from doing
Absolutely.
any church functions.
Absolutely.
Because we want nobody to think we got roaches at the church.
So we can see her put those down. That just looks amazing,
You ain't
Sharon.
gonna put them on there.
Oh, that looks great. That looks really, really good. So, Sharon, how long would you cook those?
I cook these till, this is me, because everybody like their lamb chops well done, medium rare, and rare. So what I do, I cook it enough so I see that real grill mark in there, and it's no longer pink. So I don't cook them too long because lamb chops are so small and so delicate.
Right.
And if you cook them too long, they have that tough taste.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay.
you know, we want them to have that tenderoni taste like such and such talk about.
You know about it, tenderoni.
Y'all know about Ronnie? Yeah.
Yes, you know about that,
I know
right?
about Ronnie because me and Ronnie on the.
Told you wasn't enough permanent in there. I'm watching you, Deacon. I'm watching you
Yes,
because
you
we
was
friends.
Right. Yes,
Okay.
yeah, we right here.
We're friends.
You right, it wasn't enough in there.
Told you.
Especially for a Ronnie.
Told you.
But you gotta understand something, and a lot of people don't understand this. Anytime you cook anything with regard to wine, and when you cook it, it reduces a lot of things.
Okay.
So you're not gonna get that, like you would.
Right.
You just want that subtle taste.
Well, I knew a lot of wine when I cook. You know what it reduced when I'm cooking? A lot of stress.
Thank you, Deacon.
It make me not worry about burning my food.
Keep on
It make me start thinking about, around it. You know what I'm saying? When I'm cooking it, like, it make me think about the entanglement that I was in at the jack. Yeah.
You sound like you about to start a service. I think we need to take a break. Before Deacon such and such start his sermon, we're gonna go ahead and take another break. And especially while these amazing lamb chops are cooking, we're gonna take a break. We're gonna make sure that you stay tuned. It smells amazing in this kitchen. Make sure you stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Greetings. This is Peggy Rhodes of Be Insured for Life. Our agency specializes in health and life services, and today I want to talk to you about open enrollment. And we can help. Have you lost your job? Do you have a job with no benefits? Are you recently retired? Are you an early retiree? Are you a veteran that still needs health insurance for you and your family under age 65? Well, we can help. There are subsidized plans to help pay for your health insurance plan, and some of them even have a 0 monthly premium. Give us a call. We'd love to help. 866-357-0777. Be Insured for Life. Mask up and be safe.
Still have Deacon such and such in the kitchen. And he's excited about these lamb chops. He has been making us laugh. Oh my goodness. You're so funny. But Sharon is still over here. When I tell you, this kitchen smells amazing.
Yes, it does.
It smells great. As you see, we got our sides lined up. We have a nice side of steamed broccoli with her three potato mashed potato. Looks amazing. Sharon, I am so excited because lamb chops, I love lamb chops.
Yes, we
Deacon
do.
such and such has already laid hands on the lamb chops. So I know they're going to come out amazing. So Sharon, what do you have? We're ready to eat.
All right, you pass me that dish real quick, man.
Okay.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Oh, Sharon, I meant to ask you, what 3 potatoes did you use for those mashed potatoes?
I use a red white potato,
Uh-huh.
and I use a regular potato.
Okay.
But I use my favorite one,
Which is?
Asian sweet potato.
Okay. Okay.
I can't wait to taste that.
Ooh, that's good.
Have you ever
Yes,
had
you
an
notice right here.
No, I had a Chinese sweet potato. Wing Lee, she was a part of the entertainment. And Wing Lee had a Chinese sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Oh,
So I had a Chinese, and I had a Jamaican sweet potato, and I had a New Orleans sweet potato.
You get such and such. You need to be careful because you turned it over.
It takes a lot of sweet potatoes.
You turned it up.
No, I'm just saying, it came a long way. That's all I'm just trying to say.
It came a mighty long way.
A long way.
Long.
But just let me know he ain't no easy win. That's why I said we still put our hands on you there.
That's right. I mean.
We beat you down and then pray over you.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm
I'm just saying, is everybody married? Cause with y'all cooking like this, the deacons, y'all should be having a hug.
Oh, now, Deacon, I'm one of the single ones in the ministry, so you might want to be careful.
But maybe when they fix my plate later, if you feed the deacon might take you out. After we get through with the show, you know, they take that for a little bit.
Don't push a sister.
Y'all wonder why some of y'all food be cold. This is the reason why. Exactly. But you notice I got my lamb chops lined up based on how people eat them. Some of them like theirs well, some of them like theirs medium well. And we have Libby who says she just like hers just seared just a little.
Yeah,
so we have that. That's why you see the difference in the colors because everybody don't like their meat like me black and done. Please.
That's right.
Come on, Sister Sharon, start divvying up. Okay. All
So what's with the sauces that you have?
Oh, you noticed earlier I had a roux, and that roux is based on, for those of you all who want to make gravy and don't know how to make gravy, what you do with your roux, what I do, I like, anytime I cook my meat that I grill, I use the seasoning from that pan, and what I do, I put either oil, I put butter, and I put a teaspoon of flour. And what you do, you let it cook down. And then once you get it cooked to a consistency where you see lumps, you add a little water and then you see the thickening in that. And then what you do, you use seasoning to your liking. Whether you want salt, you want pepper, whether you want paprika, whether you want, this magic touch over here. It's to your liking that you put in your roux and your gravy.
That type of gravy is like, what Mother Patterson called the drippings.
Yes, you use the drippings.
And
Absolutely.
Paprika? Who'd you say?
No, it's paprika.
I dated a lady named Paprika. Made me some gravy, and when the deacon woke up the next day, next thing you know, he'd end up paying child support. I said, no, he nobody else gravy. I have to watch him make the gravy. Paprika made me some gravy, and next thing you know, the deacon went to sleep. And then we woke up, next thing you know, I ain't seen you, the deacon paying child support.
I'll take it as dirty.
Yes.
I'm loving it.
So what I did with the roux that I had and my pineapple mango bourbon reduction sauce, what I did, I took the juice from that and I put it inside my roux and I just cooked it down and made it, cohesive together. So that's what you're gonna use.
So you took and put some of the reduction in the gravy?
Yes.
Oh, I thought Deacon such and such had taken a couple of sips. I thought he took a couple of sips.
I thought I did too, but he put the reduction back up in there.
He threw that bad.
He threw that back up there.
Kind of throw that bad.
Oh, that looks great. That looks great.
It looks so pretty, Sister Sharon.
It does. It looks really good. You can check out this recipe at our website at www.thechurchladies1.com for this recipe, this amazing recipe, and so much more. Sharon, this looks amazing.
I know.
I see Deacon such and such, he ain't taking his eyes off these lamb chops.
He owned it. He just, because the other stuff we have at the church function, be a little bland, because everybody can't eat everything.
Everybody can't. And everybody can't cook everything.
And then they be trying to sue the church. You know what I'm saying? That's why the head dick make sure we don't get sued at that.
And another thing I want to tell you guys, you don't need a lot of gravy. You just need enough because of the density of the gravy.
Good.
Just enough. You just want enough. With that elegance. That's all.
It looks really, really good. Well, what we're going to do right now, we're going to let Sharon continue to plate this because I cannot wait to go ahead and tear into these lamb chops. This looks amazing, Sharon. It looks really, really good. Right now, we're going to take another break. And I'm so ready. I already got my fork over here. Deacon such and such.
Oh, yeah, I came. The deacon come ready. You know what I'm saying? The deacon come ready. The Bible says you're supposed to always be ready. The deacon come ready. You know what I'm saying? He come ready. He come ready. Never be. He come ready.
Okay, be ready. Make sure that you stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hi, we're the Church Ladies Cooking Show, and we're going to a new network. We're going to PAX TV. We're going to a brand new TV station. I'm so excited. And we want you to be excited too. Make sure that you go to our website at www.thechurchladies1.com for more information on PAX TV and the new station that we're coming to. really, really excited. So you get to get more of the church ladies, more recipes, more blogs, more information. We're really excited. We want you to be excited too. Again, make sure you go to our website at www.thechurchladies1.com. We're so excited. We want you to be excited too. We can't wait to see you on the next Church Ladies Cooking Show. Hi, and we're back. And Sharon has made up these amazing looking lamb chops. It still smells amazing in this kitchen. And as you see, Deacon such and such has his hot sauce. He is ready. He is ready to eat. So we're ready to taste. See, you know what they done left me behind.
Man, the deacon is on. Good job, Sister Sharon. Good job.
They be feeding us.
Lord, we got to see you back here. You full time at the Ebenezer. You want some on that too? Get some. Get some right there. Yeah, get some hot sauce right there.
I'm liking that dirty deacon.
Yeah, you like the chicken. How your mashed potato taste?
Delicious.
Tastes
Sharon,
good.
this is amazing.
Yeah.
Really
Can you dick? Can you feed the dick a little bit? Right quick?
You have anything you want, baby.
Yeah,
Oh, amen.
yeah, cause you know, dick love to eat. You know,
What y'all like,
yeah,
man?
and then we'll talk about later on
Wait
going
till man's heart.
how we gonna taste that communion wine later.
That's what I'm talking about.
As you see, Deacon such and such is enjoying himself. And then he did
Won't he do it? Won't he do it?
Every time.
He did that, and she did that too.
Thank you.
Sharon, this tastes amazing.
It's good.
Deacon such and such, you definitely have to come back and visit us.
I'm gonna have to put your foot in it, girl. Put your foot in it.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Put your foot in it. Put your foot in it.
Let's stop on me!
So put it there.
Great.
I done
It tastes
finished
really
mine.
good. Make sure you go to www.thechurchladies1.com for Sharon's amazing recipe on these lamb chops and so much more. We want to thank you for joining us on this Church Ladies Cooking Show. We really had an amazing time. Deacon such and such, again, you have to come back. You definitely have to come back. Make sure you tell your pastor, your first lady, your family, and your friends, your congregation about the Church Ladies Cooking Show.
Everybody.
We're so excited. We love it. We love it. We love it.
Yes.
Make sure you tune in next time. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's time. Oh, it's time. Church lady.